Hello and welcome. Where you are is in the middle of my newest video series called 21 Things I Wish I Knew Before I Became a Middle-Aged Man. This is episode number 8, and the title of this episode is Learn to Listen Actively. You know, most of us like to hear ourselves talk, and I certainly am one of those people. I've been talking for a living for 35 years. But I think the more important skill, way more important, is active listening. Not just listening, but actually hearing what's being said kind of on a deeper emotional level. Not just the words, the emotions, the fear, the anxiety, the hope. Could be a litany of different emotions. And if you're with somebody face to face, hand movements, body movements, facial expressions, tone of voice, things like that. You know, my father is gifted in this space. When you're in a discussion with my dad and you're face to face with him, he basically makes you feel like you're the only person on the face of the earth. There's like nothing else is important. There's no one else around. There's no agenda. We don't have any time limits on what we're doing. It's really, really a gift. And I think one of the kind of tactical things that is involved in active listening is asking open-ended questions. You know, as a recruiter, when you're ready to ask for referrals, which is your bread and butter in the recruiting business, if you get good at that, your money is not, do you know anyone, right? Because that's a yes or no. No, I don't. But what about who do you know? What about the presumption that you know other people that I should be talking to? And I think, you know, you just encourage answers that they have context, they have nuance, other additional layers of information that wouldn't otherwise be offered if you just said, who do you know? Or excuse me, do you know anyone? People will tell you their secrets without even consciously knowing when you get good at active listening. This comes into play in negotiation. It comes into play in sales, but it's also what really good therapists do and really good mentors do. So if you can take some time and focus on, are you really actively listening to the people that you talk to? And, you know, I can take it outside of business as well. When I'm at lunch with a friend or one of my kids, you know, is my phone off or upside down? Am I not looking around the restaurant or whatever? You know, I'm looking them in the eye, I'm paying attention. It makes you so credible. It gives you such authority that we, in this day and age with social media and all the noise going on, you know, in politics to economics to whatever, this is really, really difficult to do. You just have to kind of shut off and pause and push the rest of the world away. But if you can master active listening, I would venture that you will improve in almost every component of your life, personally and professionally. So anyway, I hope you got something to take away from that. Learn to listen actively, and hopefully we'll see you in video number 9 tomorrow. And have a great day.